In this video, I will show you EA Sports FC mobile app not installing problem. So for that, first of all, open your settings. Then scroll till the end. There you will find system and update. Click on it. Then go to system update. From here, check if your system update is due or not. But if your system is fully updated, then simply go back. Then go to about device. From here, check your storage, and if your storage is nearly full and it does not have at least 1.5 to 2 GB of free storage, then you will have to delete unnecessary files or apps to be able to download the app. Then the next thing that you can do is simply scroll till apps, then click on it, then go to app management. From here, search for Play Store, then click on it. Click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. From here, click on clear cache, then confirm it. After that, you can simply click and hold on to your power button, then restart your phone, and after that you should be able to download your app as long as you have a stable internet connection. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.